Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is unstoppable. Gold is almost trading around 4500. So yesterday, if you have watched my video, then hope you made some good money because we strictly discuss about following the trend of the market instead of going for a reversal trade, and we just followed it. Okay, and yes, we have been following the trend of the market for a long time. We love the trend, and as we all know, trend is our friend. Anyways, if you have any ongoing buy right now, you can hold your buy position because nobody knows where gold is going to stop. Yesterday we saw the contracts also. Okay, we saw the contracts. Okay, at one point a few days ago, around 2 weeks ago, okay, those contracts look very promising. They were very strong resistances, but now we saw that 4400, 450 all lost their strength. So sky is really the limit. Right now you can see the market is facing resistance around 4500. It's a psychological level, so obviously there will be some battle tug of war situation, but eventually, okay, market should be able to cross 4500. So if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy position with trading stop loss. Yes, you need to trail your stop loss because this is gold, my friends. This is gold. Anything may happen, isn't it? And we are retail traders. We don't know, okay, what is going to be the next, okay, event, or what is going to be the next thing on the market. We can just react as per situation, and Christmas is just around the corner. So if profit booking starts suddenly, then you may be trapped. So please use trailing stop loss if you are enjoying the buy position, because if we look at the economic calendar, we can see today we have some news coming up during the US session. Okay, but from tomorrow onwards, okay, almost whole world is about to celebrate the Christmas Eve. Okay, so please be careful, and profit booking may also come. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold again. So the same old strategy, buy at dip or buy at retracement. So yesterday also, okay, we discussed that we can buy around, okay, whenever market will be coming down for retracement, or when the previous resistance will become the support. Remember, okay, not tomorrow or not yesterday, okay, we have been following this for a long time. Okay, so yesterday also, okay, we got the same opportunity. For example, okay, when we recorded the video or when we were discussing about gold was trading somewhere around here. Then the breakout came. Remember, we discussed about consolidation. Yes, consolidations are extremely important. Okay, so the consolidation was here. You can see the market consolidated here, and after that the breakout came. The previous resistance became the support. Again, you can see before this one, okay, market consolidated. After that breakout came. So now again we need a consolidation, okay, for a breakout. Or during the day, if market comes down, then also we can look for buy at dip or buy at retracement. So where can we buy? So today we can buy around 4442 to 43, around 4442 43. Previous resistance will be working as support. If market is very adamant, okay, then we can also look for support around 4455860. This dotted line here, you can see not a major level, but yes, if market is very much bullish, okay, then 40 to 43 may be a longer distance. So we can also expect support around 48 5860 as well. So on the chart of gold, okay, technically they are not very strong, but yes, in this situation, we can expect the market to take support around 40 to 43 or 5860. 40 to 43 is a better level. Okay, so these are the levels where you can expect the market to take support. You can also see that, okay, here also we have a minor resistance around 86 as well. Okay, 86. So keep your eyes here. Is 86 a good level? No, but in a situation like this where market is very good, जहाँ पे market बहुत ज़्यादा bullish होता है, every level works. So at the time of recording the okay, at the time of watching the video, maybe gold will be somewhere trading around 4520 4530. There also you can follow the same stuff. You can just look at the chart. Okay, you can mark the previous resistances. When market will come down to take support, you can buy. Okay, so buy at dip is the best strategy here, and in case market doesn't come for retracement, okay, we can follow the, remember what, buy at breakout. But yes, as we all know, before any breakout, consolidation is important. So right now, no sign of consolidation yet, but if market consolidates around this particular area or any area, okay, for example, if market consolidates around 4520, 4530, they also wait for 1 to 2 hours. After consolidation, when market will break the range, market consolidates like this, and when market will break the range, okay, then you can enter. Breakouts are obviously okay, we love to trade on breakouts, but yes, consolidations are important, otherwise you may be trapped. For example, see here, okay, here also before the breakout we got a consolidation, here also before the breakout we got a consolidation. So consolidations give us the confidence that finally market is going to get wild. Okay, so wait for the breakout, okay, wait for the consolidation before a breakout, otherwise wait for the market to come down. See, two possibilities: market either come down or market either go up. If market comes down, buy at dip. If market goes up, see market consolidated or not. If it consolidated, then yes, you can buy at breakout. That's a simple strategy. And as of now, while recording the video, we can see the market is still bullish, so we are following the trend of the market. Many of you made good money yesterday, but many of you also lost your whole account. I have received many messages and emails because you took a sell position. My dear friend, always keep in mind, not only in forex market, any market or the world, okay, it's $1 trillion, okay, it's $1 trillion game going on here, okay, and we do not have the money to stand against billions and trillions of dollars, isn't it? So if you want to make money in this market, in trading, following the trend of the market is the best solution or only solution, unless you have $1 billion to turn around the market. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold scales new all-time high. Okay, the important here is safe haven demand has been supported by rising tension between US and Venezuela, as Washington intensified its naval blockade of the region and with the seizure of a second oil tanker on Saturday and the active pursuit of a third. Gold hits record high amid rising geopolitical risks. So this is the ongoing situation right now. If things change during the Christmas or after 1 to 2 days, okay, maybe we will see some relaxation on gold. But as of now, things are very hot. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And again, repeating, if you have any buy, hold your buy position with trading stop loss. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then try to follow the trend of the market. Unless something crazy happens, we can clearly see the trend of the market is bullish. Later on, if market starts falling, profit booking comes, and if gold closes below 4400, then this picture will be different. But as of now, gold is bullish. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Bye bye, take care.